everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I can delete your Roblox account. For that, first of all, you need to go ahead and simply open up your Roblox application, or if you don't have the app, you want to go ahead and simply open up your browser and then in the search bar search for roblox.com. Once you search for it, log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the settings like icon. Inside here, tap on settings. Go ahead and select privacy and content. Tap on account deletion and deactivation and select deactivate. This hides your account so you can use it, but you can always log in back later to reactivate. If you want your account gone forever, you will need to contact Roblox support. Open up a new tab and then in the search bar search for roblox.com/support. So once you're inside here, you need to go ahead and log into your account first. Once logged in, you will then be able to find this kind of interface. From here, go ahead and simply fill up this detail. Scroll below. Under what device are you having problem on? You need to go ahead and simply select your type. And then in the help category box, scroll below, then tap on I want to delete my account. Tap on the drop down of sub help category type, then tap on I want to delete my account. Now, inside here, you need to go ahead and simply write clearly that you want your Roblox account permanently removed. After that, tap on continue, and just like that, after you submit the form, Roblox support will usually get back to you within a few days. They may ask for your confirmation, and once approved, your account will be deleted from their server. And that's it. You can either deactivate temporarily or request a permanent deletion through Roblox support. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.